So now let's start with exercise 2.1. In 2.1, first question is fill in the blanks. Let us see what they're saying. The first part is the smallest natural number. Now what are natural numbers? The numbers which are starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. And which is the smallest number? 1. So that means the smallest natural number is 1. Now what is the smallest whole number? Now what are the whole numbers? Whole numbers are which are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And among these which are going on and on, which is the smallest one? 0. So the smallest whole number is 0. Successor of a number is found by dash 1 to the given number. Now successor is found by what? You are doing 1 what? By adding 1 to the given number. For example, I gave you 6. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. Now 7 is the successor of 6. How I got 7? By adding 1. So successor of a number is found by adding 1. And how the predecessor is found? By subtracting 1. For example, 6 minus 1. To find out the predecessor of 6, I have to subtract 1. So by subtracting 1 from the given number, I am going to get the predecessor. The group of all natural numbers and 0. Okay. Now what are the natural numbers? The numbers which are starting from 1, 2, 3, so on. And in this natural numbers, if we are including 0 also, then from 0 to so on, this will become whole number. So the group of the natural numbers and 0 is called as the whole numbers. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's move to question number 2. Predecessor of a whole number comes just before the numbers. Yes, it is true. Predecessor of a number just comes before the number. Let us take this 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. Let us take this example. Now 5 comes just before 6 and 5 is, that means, the predecessor of 6. So that means this first part is true. Successor of the given number just comes after the number. Again it is true. Successor is 7 and successor of 6 is 7 and 7 is coming just after 6. So that means this second B part is also true. Now C part. Successor of the largest 3-digit number. Okay, now firstly, what is the largest 3-digit number? Largest 3-digit number is 999. And they are saying the successor of the largest 3-digit number. What is the successor? That means plus 1. And what is, when I am going to add this, what it will become? 1000. So the successor of the largest 3-digit number, it is 999 plus 1 is 1000. Is the predecessor of the smallest 3-digit number. Firstly, we should know what is the smallest 3-digit number, and that is 100. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. Now what is the predecessor of this? That means minus 1 equals to 999. Now just tell me one thing. Is this 1000 predecessor of 99? No. So that means it is false. D part. To obtain the smallest 3-digit number. Now we have to take the smallest 3-digit number. If we want the smallest 3-digit number, add 1 to the largest 2-digit number. Sorry, we have to take the smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number means 100. Add 1 to the largest 2-digit number. Now add 1 to the largest. Now what is the largest 2-digit number? 99. And what you have to do? You have to add 1 in this. When you are going to add 1, what you are getting? 100, and that is correct. So that means this is true. Now this is the largest whole number and largest natural number. False. Whole number or natural numbers can be extended up to infinity. I can add more 999999 in this. So this is not the largest whole number. So this part is false. Now let's move to question number 3. Before starting with question number 3, I want to tell you that question 1 and 2 you are going to do in the book. And now let's start with question number 3. You are going to do this in the notebook. Now question number 3 is you have to write the successor. Successor means you have to add 1. So how you are going to add 1? The successor of 79 is equals to 79 plus 1, and that will give you 80. Successor of this number 7,54,990. What will be the successor? Just plus 1 and you will be getting the successor. Similarly, question number 4, you have to write the predecessor. 101 is given to you. You have to write the predecessor of 101. Now what is the predecessor of this? Predecessor means minus 1. So in 101 you are going to subtract 1, which will give you 100. In 1 lakh, what is the predecessor of 1 lakh? What you are going to do? Subtract 1, you will be getting 99,999. D part. 3 crore 8,70,650. You have to find the predecessor. Predecessor means in this number you are going to subtract 1, right? And just see one thing, what you are going to get, 308,70649. So what you are getting, predecessor is 308,70649. So this is the predecessor. I have not done all the parts of question 3. B and D part you will do yourself. In this question 4, B part you will do by yourself.